February 4, 2025, a date poised to alter the trajectory of Middle Eastern politics. The world watches as President Donald Trump prepares to unveil a proposal that promises to reshape the Gaza Strip and, with it, the future of the region. Flanked by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, President Trump adjusts the microphone, his expression resolute. Today, the United States is announcing its intention to take over the Gaza Strip. This initiative aims to bring stability and prosperity to a region long plagued by conflict. We envision transforming Gaza into the Riviera of the Middle East, a hub of economic activity and peace. Cairo, Egypt, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi addresses a press conference. President el-Sisi, Egypt firmly rejects any forced displacement of Palestinians into our territories. Such actions threaten regional stability and are unacceptable. Amman, Jordan, King Abdullah II speaks to international media. King Abdullah II, Jordan's position is unwavering. We will not accept the relocation of Palestinians from Gaza to our land. The solution must be within Palestinian territories. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, a spokesperson delivers an official statement. Spokesperson, Saudi Arabia reiterates its commitment to an independent Palestinian state. Any proposal must respect the rights and aspirations of the Palestinian people. The proposal ignites a firestorm of controversy. Key U.S. allies in the Middle East express vehement opposition, citing concerns over forced displacement and regional destabilization. UN Secretary General, the forced relocation of populations is a violation of international law. We urge all parties to seek solutions that uphold human rights and dignity. Legal experts and human rights organizations condemn the plan, labeling it as a form of ethnic cleansing and a breach of international statutes within Gaza. Reactions are mixed. Some see a glimmer of hope in promises of redevelopment, while others fear the loss of their homeland and identity. Interview, a Palestinian shopkeeper, we've endured hardship for decades. If this plan offers a chance for a better life, perhaps it's worth considering, but at what cost? Teacher, our roots are here. Forcing us to leave is not a solution. We need genuine peace and the right to determine our own future. As debates rage, the logistical challenges of such an ambitious plan come into sharp focus. The proposal would require significant military involvement to ensure security during the transition. The risk of insurgency and further conflict cannot be underestimated. Expert, funding this redevelopment would necessitate substantial investment. The question remains, who will bear the financial burden, and what are the expected returns? Senators and representatives hold impromptu press conferences. Senator, Democrat, this plan is reckless and disregards the rights of the Palestinian people. We must seek a solution that involves all stakeholders. Senator, Republican, while the goal of stabilizing the region is commendable, we must carefully consider the implications of such a move on our foreign policy and national security. Amidst the political maelstrom, the voices of ordinary citizens resonate with pleas for peace and stability. Resident, we've lived in fear of rockets for too long. If this plan can bring lasting peace, it's worth a try, but it must be fair to both sides. Refugee, we dream of returning to our homeland, not being moved from one place to another. Our identity is tied to our land. As the world grapples with the potential consequences of the U.S. proposal, one thing is clear: the path to peace in the Middle East remains fraught with complexity, requiring careful navigation, empathy, and a commitment to justice. The future of Gaza hangs in the balance, a land of promise and pain caught between the tides of ambition and the enduring hope for peace.